This video is about removing Playcompletelyadvancedthefile.vip pop-up windows and fake Chrome update alerts. These are fake Chrome update alerts that may start attacking your browsers, such as Google Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers. It is extremely dangerous for people to interact with these fake browser update alerts because installing these so-called browser updates may actually hijack some of the crucial browser settings. So, if you see these pop-ups, if you see these fake Chrome update alerts on your computer screen, make sure you do not interact with them and do not install anything that they suggest. The extensions that are promoted through such fake Chrome update alerts may hijack some of the crucial browser settings, for instance, the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL too. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, you should immediately undertake the measures and fix your browser. Go to the menu of your browser, go to Settings, now choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. You might see these ads attacking the screen, and if you click on them, you may be brought to such filthy websites or malicious websites promoting adware. So you should get rid of all these ads attacking your screen. Also, make sure you go to the menu, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions. If you see any third-party extensions here, you need to get rid of them. To make sure that the system is free of other hidden threats, I would recommend scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your device with its help to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.